Hello, Bayside students and families. I'm going to show you a quick way to access your new email from home and to go over how to log into your school Gmail or Google account. So here we go. So students and families, we have new Microsoft Outlook emails. So if you're at home and you have to find your email or check your email or email your teacher about a lost assignment, what you do is go to the Bayside Middle School website, go under Students, and which this is not clear, but this is new. We're going to go to student links. So click on student links. And under here, you're going to see a section called student email. So you're going to click on this email. Now, because I'm at school and I'm logged into my computer, it will look differently. But when you click on this link on student email and you're at home, you're going to be redirected to a sign-in page. It will come up with a beautiful empty page that will say Saanich Schools, and you need to log in. And your login is like you do at school on your computer. So you're going to put your student number in, and then your password like you do at school, like you're logging into a school computer. So if I push on this button, you're going to probably see a Microsoft Outlook come up because I'm already logged into my school computer at school. But at home, you're going to be prompted with the Saanich Schools page, and you'll be prompted to log in. Okay, so click on that link, and you see you're going to have my little outcome because I'm already logged in. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, now you're at home again and you forgot, how do I access my school Gmail? Or, sorry, not my school Gmail because we don't use that, but my school Google account. Because you might have to access your school Google from home. So you're at home and you're logged in. You think you're logged in. You see a Google screen in front of you, but you're maybe not logged in to your school district email. Okay, so remember when you're at school, you need to log in to your SD63. So that's going to be your student number. So when you go into here, you might have to add another account if you're at home, or maybe you're going to go to your Waffle and your Drive and sign out through your account here. Okay, make sure that you put in your student number at saanichlearns.ca. Okay, so that's your student number at saanichlearns.ca to get into your school Google account. Okay, so if at home your parents are logged into an email or a Google account, you might have to log them out, okay, because you might have some challenges. And the last area we're going to show you today is at Bayside Middle School. You're back at the Bayside Middle School website, and you might want to access our databases. Okay, so again, you're going to go under Programs and Services, Learning Commons, okay, and you might need to do some research from home, okay, so you're going to go into our BC Digital Classroom. Once more, you might have to log in. So if you click on one of these things and you can't access the Learning Commons databases, you might have to log in again once more with your student number like you do on a computer and then your password. Okay, so that's a couple tips and tricks. Just going back to the Bayside website so we're clear on where that is, because it's not very clear for a lot of us. To find our email is under student links and then your email. And again, you'll be prompted to put your student number in and your password like you do on the computer. If you want to access your Google Drive from home, your Google Classroom, just make sure that when you're into Google that you're logged into your SD63 account. So that's going to be your student number at saanichlearns.ca. Thanks for listening. Hope that helped. Merci.